fucking thinking right now, alright? Oh, I can make a grilled cheese any day of the week. Well, you! You can't do any of that, because I'm going to show you how to make grilled cheese the right way. Now, let's get started, alright? The first thing we're going to do, so you're going to want to start your thing up. What the hell is this? Get that out of here. You're going to want to set your thing up to a nice medium. Let's start at a nice 6, a medium. Get it close up with that. You see that? We're going to get a nice medium right there. You can move, like a nice 6 right there. You see that? Alright. So what we're going to do is that while that's heating up, okay, you gotta get your bread out. So, what are you doing? Okay, fine. We're just gonna get our bread out. We need 2 pieces of the bread. Twist ties suck. Right? So what we're gonna do is you want to get 2 nice pieces of bread. Look at that, delicious whole wheat bread. I think. I know it's honey wheat. Same thing. All right. So, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Alright? So, now that we got this, I missed a step. What you're going to actually want to do, scratch that. We're going to want to put this on here. We're going to put that there. And then we're going to want to butter that up. Right? Because we want it to taste. Be nice and... It's not even opened! Who is running the show? Oh wait, I am. Alright, so I have to open. This knife's basically useless. So, now we're going to want to get ourselves a butter knife, alright? So now we have a butter knife. We're going to want to go ahead and we're going to want to get a scoop. See that? A nice scoop of butter. And we're just going to want to place it on there. Oh yeah, so let that. I need to crank up the heat a little bit so it starts melting more. Okay. So you're gonna wanna do that. So you might need to get more butter. This is a big pan. Hopefully don't stab anybody. A little more butter. Alright. Make sure you thoroughly wash your dishes afterwards. Are you making a hot pocket? Are you deadass making a hot pocket right now? Oh my god. Alright, so it'd be much more easier just to hot already, but you know what? Sometimes you need to look life in the face and say, screw you, man. Oh, look at that. See, now it's starting to bubble up. Alright, that's good. It's what you want that to happen. There we go. Oh my god, dude. It's so good. Alright, so that should be good. Not really. So we're just gonna put that in the cooling bowl. That's what we call it. So now that we have, what the hell? What the Who did this? Who did this? What the hell is this, jam? Oh my god, it's like A1 steak sauce. Who the hell put A1 steak sauce on my sandwich? Son of a... So unfortunately I don't have any bread left. So, are you deadass making coffee too? It's wasting all my. What the shit? You trying to burn down my house?
A little bit.
Oh my god, it smells terrible in here. Okay, so now we have that. We're gonna want to place this. Not yet, actually. Where the hell are my supplies go? All my supplies are right here. Oh, I swear, I like the worst people ever. All right, so. Where's that? Needed that. Alright, I'm missing a piece of bread. Who took my bread? Well, who took my bread? Oh, it's right here. By the crock pot, of course. That's what you need to do. So what we're going to do, you're going to put shredded cheese. Alright, you do not want to put normal cheese, mozzarella cheese, whatever. Normal ass cheese. That's how you make the grilled cheese sandwich. So there we go. See, grilled cheese? This is cheese, right? You don't want to eat sliced cheese. What are you? So we're just gonna keep sprinkling that cheese on there. Make sure you put a good amount. Since, yeah, there we go. That's good enough. All right. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mine them. Yo, so you're gonna want to put actually a little cheese on top. You know what I'm saying? A little cheese. How's my pan looking? How's my pan looking? Where the hell did my pan go? Where the hell did my pan go? Where are things that disappeared? What the hell? What the hell? Where the hell did it go?
Where the f did it go?
Where the hell did it go? Let's see. What the sh**? You mother! Get back here, boy! Take the shit out! Piece of damn, now I'm all wet. Alright, well, we still have the bread. I'm gonna keep close on that because things are disappearing from the goddamn cat in the hat house. So, luckily for us, we still have a good amount of butter. But of course, my butter knife's dirty, so I have to get a normal knife, which sucks, but whatever. These knives suck. You're not supposed. This is not a butter knife. That was, but whatever. All right. So, are you putting ranch on a mother hot pocket?
Bro, do you put ranch on your pizza?
No. Who does?
I do.
Everybody else.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Everyone else in the world does.
No.
You also stopped it from being warm.
Butter shit, goddamn man. Let's crank it up. Let's crank the heat. It needs to be hotter. Make sure you turn it back to 6 when you're done. We don't want to burn the sandwich immediately. Bro, I don't trust you with my goddamn sandwich. Get back. I don't trust you with my sandwich, man. I gotta keep that thing on me like a mother. This thing's not spraying very well, but you can see the evaporating, man. It's not starting to melt up, so that's good. So we get rid of the fake knife. One muffin. Just like a muffin in these trying times. I don't think that's a muffin. Wait for that butter up. So butter up. It smells really good in here. That smells terrible, you're not gonna lie. Because we got a lot of things going on. We got pizza, coffee, butter, sandwich, A1 steak sauce,
Muffins,
handle, Honey Nut Cheerios, and lemonade. It smells great in here. So I think this thing's ready to go. As see here, it's now melty and buttery. So where's my sandwich cup? All right, I'll put it here for safekeeping. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start place it on there. There we go. Now where's my spatula? My spatula. What we're gonna do? We're gonna make this more cheesy than ever. Alright. Oh, how can I be so stupid? We've got so many ingredients for the sandwich. Now it's not a grilled cheese sandwich.
Is not the answer. While TV companies have different contract
Come on, dude.
expiration dates with broadcasters,
I'm trying to what?
all
I'm trying to
TV
make a
companies
TV
face the
show,
same
and I don't need you blasting
Unfortunately, the
goddamn
broadcasters
Dish
keep asking
Network
for
lying
more
about
and more.
ABC. Where am I? Alright, we're gonna put some jalapenos in there. Alright. Now, I know you're saying jalapenos isn't that gonna hot. Well, you're a pussy if you don't put jalapenos in your goddamn food. Actually, I don't want to crank that open real quick. Holy shit. Okay, we need to get a fork. I'm not gonna dye my hands in that jalapeno juice. So what we're gonna want to do. There. Once you put 2 on this thing, you can put more if you want to, but you'd be pretty good if you did that. So. God damn, that's hot! Holy shit! I wonder why. Well, we gotta make sure you crank it down back to 6. How can I forget my own instructions? Okay. Alright. So, how's your hot pocket?
That was good.
Damn.
Christ. Alright. So it's now it's time to flip it. Oh yeah! That's looking nice. Okay, it smells glorious. Made like by Jesus Christ himself. It smells great. My dog is like trying to hide in the corner because of everything is great going on. Now, I might be asking yourself, why do I have lemonade and Honey Nut Cheerios in here? Well, it's just conversation pieces, you know. Like, oh, you got Honey Nut Cheerios? So do I, man. What's your favorite flavor? Oh, normal. Like, oh, me too, man. And you want to make sure you keep patting it down because you want the cheese to start melting. So, all right. So now it's all patted down nice. You want to make sure you put the butter. Make sure you get all the butter on there. Yeah, this is great. So what you also want to do is now you want to put your box on there. Your blueberry muffins. They're gonna catch on fire, isn't it?
No.
Okay, good.
What the hell?
So you want this so that the essence of the blueberry muffins that you made already come from the box, and you want that to So I think the S is on there now. So take that off. Okay. So I have to start putting our stuff away. Before we do that, we're gonna use a little Worcestershire sauce. Basically bootleg soy sauce, but whatever. Get a little flavor.
Wait
Wash it.
a minute. And what I have?
Alright, so where'd my spatula go? Alright. Alright, so that side is completely Worcestershired up, so using that side again. You can basically turn this thing off now, it's pretty hot. So now that the Worcestershire sauce is on the other side, we don't want to put the other side. We don't want it to be too good. All right, the hell are you doing? Take your hands off my sandwich!
See the world of dumb.
What the hell?
Don't
No,
do
you
that.
Put it back on there right now. You wash your hands, you filthy animal. Get out of here.
I just did.
Oh, you did. That's true. Touching my sandwich for manhandling it like that, boy. You're lucky I don't beat your with this thing. You know what I'm saying? It's looking pretty. It's actually pretty good. It's actually looking pretty good. I mean, when you tore it apart, the cheese inside is actually melting. So it's actually looking pretty good on the inside. Not really lying. It's what grilled cheese is supposed to do. The jalapenos in there, it's getting tastier, and then everything is going great. It's going all.
We better chop it up split it 3 ways.
3 ways? Okay, man. 2 ways.
2 ways, yeah. Never mind. Cameraman, don't get.
He made someone make blueberry muffins.
I don't know who the fuck did that, but like.
The hell are you? Oh, okay. What are you doing, man? Why are you using?
Why'd you make that so hot?
What are you talking about? It's a stove.
It's a fucking real cheese. Take your hat, dumbass.
I guess it's done. Now what we want to do is that we haven't finished the process yet, dog. We gotta get the candle essence. Now chant with me. Kumbaya, my. So you wanna, yeah, get it on. We want to get the smoke on there. Get all the smoke.
Please do not touch me with that pan.
Yeah. The flavor of cashmere. Yeah. Okay. It's ready, man. Should not do that.
Oh, I'm stupid.
Yeah, it's gonna.
Oh, you're a dumbass. Dumbass.
Cam!
And now we got the sandwich. Look at that. You see that? You see that wide angle? You see that? Look at that sandwich.
Little does he know I have that all that shit on my camera.
So now that you see that, that's a jalapeno paste right there. So we're gonna get a little bite of that. Here we go. We're just getting a little bite. The Worcestershire sauce all in there, and everything. So it's all good.
Put Worcestershire sauce on here?
Yeah, there's Worcestershire sauce on it. Here, I'm gonna take a little bite.
That bitch is honestly hot as hell. Like legit. You want some
Is
of
that
this?
ranch? Is that ranch?
He's about to die. Mouth is burning.
No, that is
It's so hot, isn't it?
I don't think I ever tasted something like that.
You want some
actually.
tea?
I don't want any of your tea, man.
You have your own tea.
What the hell?
There's a fresh cup over there.
I didn't taste any cheese at all. I think you put too much A1 steak sauce in there, bud.
You just squished pieces of bread, didn't you?
Nope.
No, they're on both pieces of bread.
Oh, that's why it tastes like A1.
Oh, I wonder what it tastes like A1, man.
I thought you would.
No matter what side's gonna be on, it's gonna taste like A1.
You're making a cooking video about grilled cheese and you only bought 2 pieces of bread. That you just stupid.
Alright, well, there's only one way to dispose of this. No, come on, let's go. This is great. You should definitely try this at home. All right, but don't do it. But do it. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna.
Do just what he did. Just don't.
So what do you want to do? You want to save it for later? You want to save it for later? You gotta put it in your box. And you're gonna want to put it in the fridge and reheat it when you're ready. And after that, you're golden. So there we go. That's how you make grilled cheese.
And warp your parents.
Shut the fuck. And that is how you make grilled cheese the correct way. Now, if you disagree with any of this, you're a loser and go kill yourself. Don't do that. So anyways, I'm gonna go and do something else now. I gotta clean up all my mess. So bye guys.